Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we will make the world more illustrated. If you haven't already subscribed, get clicking. Don't forget to press the bell to be notified for more videos. This week we're going to be talking about where we can get inspiration from. If you don't know what to draw, this is a video for you. So before we head over, I just want to let you know, if you leave a message in the comment below about where we could go next week possibly, or where we can get inspiration from, and I shall see if we can do it. Right, let's head over. So we're in my kitchen. So hopefully there's something in here that will give us inspiration to know what to draw this week. So let's look through the cupboards. Just a note, I haven't looked in the cupboards yet, so if they're a mess, don't judge. Okay, so let's have a look. What have we got in here? So we've got some sweetener. Doesn't really look that cute though. Well, this bottle's quite cute. Maybe we could do him. He's quite cute. We can make him into a little character, possibly. Some sweetener. Ooh, how about a tea bag? This cupboard is quite messy, by the way. Maybe an idea of a character possibly could be a tea bag. That's quite cute. So, some Yorkshire tea. Maybe make a little character out of that, possibly. We could do that, can't we? Let's put it back. It's not really a lot in there, really. To be honest, it's just full of junk. So I'm just going to check the other cupboard. Ooh. Oh, salt and pepper. These might make good inspiration. A character, possibly. What about condiments? Maybe some condiments as well. So we've got lemon. We haven't got lemon because it's not lemon, Stuart. It's mustard. These are mustard. And then I did have some. Oh, my very empty ketchup. These would be quite, maybe they could be like a little characters that could be fighting. They taste quite nice together, so maybe they could be friends, they could be lovers. Endless possibilities. Ooh, oh, maybe OXO cubes as well, that'd be quite cute. Maybe some little OXO cubes. Oh, they're actually quite cute as well. Maybe we could have like little OXO. These are the veg ones, but we can get the these ones. Cool. What else can we try? Like the generic tins and jars and things. I suppose you could do them if you really want to. Oh, maybe I just thought of a jar. Maybe Marmite might be quite a good one. Marmite. It's quite a cool character actually, because like people like him or they hate him. I love him, to be quite honest with you, but I like the shape of him because you can like make him, give him eyes here and like little smiley face there possibly. He's almost got a smile already. He'd be quite cool as a character. Let's have a little look in the cupboard under the sink. Hopefully there's some inspiration for a character in there. Let's have a look. Oh my god. Bloody love this stuff. It's so good. Smells good. But maybe we can make him into a character possibly. Inspiration's always there. Sometimes you just have to draw and find out what looks good, but this might be a good idea. Maybe even just a spray bottle. Actually, I quite like the shapes of this one as well. I think it looks like it's got a bit of an Adam apple, so we can make this maybe a little top hat as well. I quite like it. So maybe we could do that into a character too. And now we're at my egg box. So maybe we can make a character out of these. Possibly. Ignore my recycling, I need to put it out. As I said, don't judge. And now I've teleported to the fridge. Don't judge. It's not that bad, but you know, dog bowl. Sorry. Ooh, this would be quite cool to make into a little character. Some lazy garlic. He could be like sleeping. That's quite a good concept actually. I quite like that idea. I've got a lemon. I've already done a lemon character actually in my stickers in my Etsy store, so I won't do a lemon again, I don't think. Maybe some yogurt pots, possibly. Milk, grapes, might be quite cool as inspiration. Just a fridge in general, you know, if you just like literally just get things that you have around the house and just turn them into characters. That's the concept of today. So guys, these are the things I found in my kitchen for inspiration for this week. So we have Marmite, we've got a bottle of Dettol, French mustard, a fabric spray, we've got ketchup, salt and pepper, a tea bag and a little cute little tiny weeny OXO cube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some pictures of it with my iPad and then I shall meet you back at the computer. So guys, we've just been in the kitchen and I've taken pictures and now they're on my iPad. So let's have a little look on there and see what we can do and turn some of these things that we found into characters. Let's go. Whoop. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go onto our Procreate. We're going to do a new canvas and then we're going to have a little upload our picture. So you press the little spanner in the top left hand corner and then insert a photo. All photos, and then let's do the little OXO cube. I think he was the cutest one I found. I took a picture of him with the box as well because I really like it makes him look smaller when he's got something to compare him to. So what we'll do is we'll go up to the layers and then we'll press the N and then drag the opacity down. And then I like to sketch first. I always use the HB pencil in blue. I'm not sure why. So I might just sketch over it to start with. Ooh, for some reason it didn't stay that colour. Oh, we want a new layer, that might help. And sketch, yeah, there you go. So I'm going to just sketch over it. Before we do anything, cause maybe we should do like a mummy and baby, possibly. Maybe the little baby OXO cube that's crying, or it could be, I don't know, he's fallen over or something like that. Quite like that concept that it's slightly different. I don't think I did that very well because it goes back there. That's it. I really do I love the big X as well on the box, so I might just go over the top of that. So maybe we could add that into the features of possibly of the face. I like that as well. And it says vegetable there, so I'm going to write vegetable. Maybe I could say mummy or something instead. And then there's this O on this little OXO cube. And then there's like half an X. So it's quite cool because actually it's mirrored. So there you go, there's that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the picture off and then we're left with the little OXO cube and the big OXO cube. So let's centre that a little bit. And then I'm just going to draw over the top of it actually. We're going to do some sketching first and then we'll go over it in fine detail. So I'm always a big-eyed character. Big-eyed drawer is the word I was looking for. So let's draw some circles. Let's make him more 3D as well. He doesn't look that 3D. Maybe the picture, the angle I took. Let's take this out and we'll turn it into a mummy actually. Little mummy. So we put mummy here with a third vegetable. And then we've got a little baby over here. Maybe he could have hurt himself. Something I might do him crying. Oh. There we go. Just something simple, it doesn't have to be crazy. I think I might change the X as well. So I know that we know that she's the box of it, but I kind of wanted maybe to make her face a little bit more. Maybe we could put it on the side of the box. Or what we could do, we could make it go back. If we just double tap with our 2 fingers again, just double tap on the screen. Just make it a bit smaller, or maybe move the position of it. Yeah, let's move it right back. So maybe her eyes are in the X of the lettering. It's just a rough sketch, it doesn't have to be anything extravagant. I quite like that actually. Maybe it should just go all the way across. Yeah. And then her eyes are over the top. Maybe she's worried as well, so we'll give her some eyebrows. The famous Magic Bee illustration eyebrows. And then, oh my goodness, face. Yeah. What we'll do now is we've sketched that character, so what I'll do is we'll just go through a couple more characters and then I will show you the end results. So let's go on to do another character. So let's open up one of the pictures. Let's not take a picture, let's add a nope, we don't want to add text either. It's gonna be one of them days. We're going to insert a photo, and then I really liked the lazy garlic, didn't I? So let's keep him there. Add another layer, let's go onto that layer and we'll change the opacity. Oh, it's really warm today. Really, really warm. So I'm just going to sketch over him again like I did before. I like his little label, it's cute. I like the big garlic as well, it kind of helps visualise it. very sleepy guy. Oh, but very late, very sleepy. Let's take that one off. There's our other character. So let's do one more. So let's go back onto the main screen. Let's add another canvas. And then we're going to add insert a photo. Who else can we do? Kind of like the tea bag idea as well. Don't necessarily need that, but it's nice to have the inspiration next to you. So let's do this. Make that opacity again. I'm going to change him slightly, but I'm leaving him there for inspiration. So it's kind of like a little. I kind of like the old-fashioned tea bags. I don't have them. They're too posh. Well, not too posh. They're just more expensive, and generic tea is fine. So, and then maybe do a bit more of a. So it looks like a bag. Like the ones with the little labels. I think they're cute. Maybe it could have a little heart on it. Ah. Big eyes. Love big eyes. So, an inspired character more than going over it and finding it that way. So we can do that as well. But the idea of going through the cupboards and everything in the kitchen was to find inspiration of what to draw, because I always get stuck and it annoys me. So thought I'd help you out. Okay. Right. So there's our other character. So we've got 3 characters now. So I've done little sketches. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the final results in a minute. I really hope this has helped you out, guys, for ideas of what to draw, because I get really stuck, and I hope this helps you out. But as I said earlier, let me know about where we're going to go next week for some inspiration of characters of what to draw. I just want to take this moment to say thank you for all the people that have already subscribed, and I'll see you next week, guys. Take care. TTFN. See ya.